Today, I invite you to witness the creation of a masterpiece. With every stroke, I will weave a tapestry of colors, breathing life into my imagination. Every stroke is an expression of my soul, a symphony of colors that resonates with the hearts of those who behold it. Through my art, I hope to ignite a spark of creativity and inspire others to embrace the beauty of self-expression. As the art comes to life, I invite you to join me on this artistic journey. Witness the magic unfold, as colors blend and stories unfold. Let your imagination soar as we explore the limitless possibilities of art. Welcome to my world of colors, where dreams take shape and emotions find their voice. Together, let us celebrate the power of art and embark on a journey of creativity and self-discovery. If you like the work I do, please don't feel shy to subscribe and support my channel, Artbox Amit.